Find square root of 121 by division method. Let me first make pair from right hand side to left hand side. So one pair, this is second, but this pair has just one digit. You can place a 0 here, but the 0 don't have any value, so you can place a bar just over one digit. Now you have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 1. That is, if you take here 1, then 1 square equal to 1. So this one must come to the quotient also. Okay, so 1 times 1, 1. Subtract, you are getting 0. You need to write the same digit under the divisor. So you need to add 1 plus 1, 2. Bring down the next pair. 0 to 1 means actually 21. Okay. Now take here a number, and you need to also multiply that number. Okay, so if you take here, look, just 1, then multiply 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 2. So our gauging number here, if I take here 1, then this one must come to the quotient also. So 1 times 21, 21. Subtract 0. You need to write the same digit under the divisor. 1, 2, 2. Now check. This new divisor will be double of the quotient. 11 plus 11, 12. Or 11 times 12, 11 times 2, which is 22. So our answer 11 is correct. The square root of 121 is 11.